This is the solution for the 42 design. The 42 design has both the men's version and the ladies' version. It consists of 4 bands, 2 top crossing bands, and then 2 outside bands. It's pretty easy to see which bands are which because they're so different. The top bands have a very prominent point on them, so you know that those are the top 2. And the way you can tell the difference between them, because there's 2 of them, is that when you run your finger across the top, the very top one, it's pretty even, it's pretty smooth. But when you run your finger across this one, you can feel that there's this dimple right here, and you know that that's the band that crosses underneath the top band. The other 2 bands are going to be the outside bands. And they both have this very sharp angle to them. Fortunately, this is the exact position you want the bands to be in for the next step. You want them to be facing opposite each other, so you can see you've got one band pointing this direction and the other band pointing that direction. What I want to do at this point in time is I want to make sure that I drop them down and they go to the same side. If I were to drop one band to this side and the other band to the other side, they wouldn't be in the correct position. Now this ring is a tricky ring because you can see that these bands, they're already kind of twisted into each other. So there might be some trial and error here. What I usually do is I put the dimpled band into my left hand and I put the smooth band into my right hand. And you can see that they kind of are going to cross right here at this point. And all I'm going to do is take the smooth band and turn it counterclockwise and rest it against there. You can see that they're kind of twisted to each other. So all I do is, you can see, I take this side and gently push it through, and there you have it. See how nicely they fit together? And then you have a nice figure 8. And the 2 outside bands are trapped. So the next step, you want to take the outermost band. And the way you can tell the outermost band is it's the widest angle. So that you can see that this angle here is wider than this one. So I want to start with this band. That's going to be the first band that I've put in. So I'm going to turn the ring a little bit, put it face down, make sure it gets on top of the other band, turn it inside of that circle, and then like a hinge on a door, I'm just going to close it. Then I'm going to turn the whole ring around, and again turn this ring into that little hole of the figure 8, and then like a hinge on a door, just going to fold it down. And there you have the solution for the 42 design.